Hi everyone, happy Monday. So for today's tutorial, I'm using one of our wraps. It's like this really cool, I wouldn't call it tie-dye, but very similar. It's navy, and it has also like beige tones and cream tones in it, and I thought it would go perfect with blues and denims and whatnot. And this style is not, I wouldn't call it a new style. I've done this one before, but it's the one that I want to wear today, so that's what I'm doing. Started off with having my right side much shorter than my left side because I want my tails to be on my left. And I'm putting it on at an angle. Taking the tails, crisscrossing in the back, bringing them both to the front. Then I'm gonna work with the longer side. I'm gonna fold it into itself, bring it up at an angle, just like that, taking it around and back, bringing it up again, folding it, just like that. And I'm gonna see which one's longer. This one looks longer, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the longer one to make the knot, because as you know, whichever one that you use to make a knot is the one that becomes shorter in the end. I'm gonna take a second to just fix my angles, make sure it's even, nothing is like, one side is like further down than the other one. Feel the back, feels good. And that's it, super easy, comfortable wrap. This one I love, it goes with like everything. That's it, have a great day.